We are in the Microsoft Purview dashboard, and this is your one-stop shop to do anything compliance or data loss prevention. The great thing about it, Microsoft just revamped it and it looks a lot better. It's way easier to find information because before it was clunky and hard to get to where you needed to go. So now go straight to that homepage and you can see the different products here. You can also see it on the left-hand side. If you click on solutions, all the different areas where you want to go into, and also the other areas like the Microsoft Defender, Intra, Fabric, Perva, Service Trust. You can get all there really quick to get in to do what you want to do. And if you slide down here, you can see your posture status. You can access this during the compliance manager if you want to click on that. Your breakdown. You can see different information in terms of trials and recommendations. How do you set it up? What things can you turn on? You can learn here. And if you want to learn more, you don't got to leave. Just go straight to the Knowledge Center from right here. One thing I love to show off is where I see most of clients start with when I work with them on a daily basis is DLP. And if you don't know what DLP is, that's data loss prevention, protection, right? So data loss protection. So you can go in here, you can follow the steps just to get up to date. You can see what stuff do you want to protect in terms of sensitive information. You can define that. And one thing that you're going to set up is what are the actual policies you want? Do you want to keep U.S. financial data on there? GDPR. There's a few ones here. There's even policies that's pre-baked in there that you can leverage. All that's located here. And look how quick it was able to get to. Let's click into another one. Data lifecycle. You can go here to find more information about that. Agents. Security Copilot would be deployed here. You can explore the different agents that's inside of here. If you want to learn docs, videos, everything you need is right here. And I'm loving the look. Microsoft, you listening? Man, you did your thing on this one. It's a lot easier to find information. I've been using it as I'm creating this documentation for you. I use it to go through just to level check what I'm doing, what else I need to learn, what else can I come and deliver to you. You can be updated on what's new with Microsoft. So you might be saying, Sly, this is great that you share this with us, but how does this help me? And again, for the SEC 900, the fundamental certs, it's not going to ask you to figure any of these things. You just need to know what the different solutions are and what they do. This is a good place to learn that from, of all the different pieces of DLP compliance area that you can leverage inside of Microsoft, because Microsoft spent a lot of time making this more robust. Why? Especially with DLP, Copilot, AI, all that needs data to be protected and not searched by accidentally by enabling it. These tools allow you to do just that. And compliance is a no-brainer. Depending on what industry you have more than others, you can do all that here in one-stop shop.